Hey guys, 5:16 p.m. here. Gonna run this for Josh. We are live. 10 spots at 5. Ben in spot 1. BJ in spot 10. What the hell was that? That was weird. Alright, we'll redo this. We got Ben in spot 1 and BJ in spot 10. Need a 2 dice roll of 5 or higher. Got a 7. Good to go. Whoever's on top after 7 rounds are winner. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last round, top spot. Good luck. Spot 7, Jacob, congratulations. Verification code LQRJYF, timestamp 5:17:25 p.m. Again, that's spot 7, Jake. We are done.